Valmont was my goal job outside of graduating school. It's important for me to convey to my daughter not to give up and that she's able to be successful in this world no matter what she chooses to be. A lot of people that you talk to at Valmont have been there for 10, 20, 15 years. So it's a really good job. They actually take care of you very well. The job at Valmont, it is probably one of the highest paid stationary welding jobs that you can have without traveling. Compared to what I've made in the past, the pay at Valmont has to be the biggest paychecks I've ever seen in my life. This career has made me somebody. This hard work really does pay off, and it makes you feel like you're doing something really. No one knows what we do, but what we do is so important that it makes you feel really good to know that you were a part of it. I am aspiring to be the first female supervisor at Valmont. So that's where you'll probably see me in 10 years if you come back and interview me.